everybody, Pandi here. Hey guys, Pandi here, Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are already Pandi's peeps, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support. I appreciate you all so much. Y'all can tell from the thumbnail, I am about to try something new and different that I've never tried before. So if it's a flop, pray for your girl that I get better at this thing, okay? So, I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. Like I said, thank you so much for taking a moment to stop by and click on this video. I appreciate you. If you didn't do so on your way in, please make sure you blow dry on that like button on your way out. If you enjoyed this review, please consider subscribing to the channel. It is free 99. It doesn't cost you anything. Now, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to jump right into this quick product review. It is the Ardell Professional Easy to Apply Magnetic Liner and Lashes. It says no adhesive needed, long-lasting, waterproof, paraben and latex free. It is a two-step application. Apply the magnetic gel liner and then apply the magnetic lash. They're reusable. So, I saw just Bambi though did a review on some magnetic lashes on her channel. And you all, she made it look so dang on simple. I was like, hey, maybe I need to revisit this because I'm going to be honest with y'all. Every time I try to put lashes on, it is a total flop. So I just never get false lashes unless I'm able to go into the shop and get them done. And since I've been living in South Carolina, I have not found anyone that I trust to get into my eyes. Now, when I was in Seattle, I would always go to our nail shop because they would do the individuals. And if I'm not mistaken, they was using hair glue, like the black bonding glue, and I hear that's the best glue to use. But I do remember always feeling like after a couple of showers, that stuff would start irritating my eyes. So I quit wearing them. Plus, I noticed when I used to remove them, my lashes would become more bald. It was like the glue was pulling out the hair. And as y'all can see, I barely got lashes as it is, okay? So I don't need nothing messing them up. So I did try to pull these out, but I clearly didn't read instructions. I only learned from watching just Bambi though that the liner is supposed to be applied to above the lash. With my crazy behind, I took this and applied it directly to the lash and was wondering why it wasn't sticking, and then I just threw them off in the closet. So, let me actually read what these directions say. Apply on clean and dry lids. For best results, use primer prior to the application. If you need to reposition magnetic lashes once the magnetic gel liner has dried, slowly peel off the lashes and gently remove any magnetic liner residue from the band magnets. Take care not to detach the magnets from the lash band. Okay. Well, I do have eyelid primer, but it's in the bathroom and I'm not about to go do all that. Plus, I think that would make it stick more, and I really don't want this to stick like that. Now, I wonder why I don't have all the instructions that she had. But we're going to give it a shot anyway, because hers was more detailed, but I think she had a different brand. So, this is the, can y'all see that? That's the cap from the magnetic gel liner. And as y'all can see, I dug up in it one time before, and I threw that mess right back up in the box because I was like, So, I didn't bring a mirror in here with me, so I'm going to use this camera. So, I apologize, y'all, if it seems like I'm all up in the camera. But this is the first time I'm ever doing a review like this, so we're going to see how this goes. Without a mirror, too. Interesting. I feel like that's too much. And I have never, see, I'm already messing up. I have never been successful with applying lashes. So I probably, I think I better try to get my butt off camera real quick because I need to look in the mirror, y'all. So give me just a moment. I'm going to step off of camera real quick and apply this. So when Just Bambi did it, she applied this 3 times, letting it dry each time in between. So I'm going to try that method and see if it works for me. Y'all give me a minute. I'll be right back. I'm off camera for a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, first of all, I'm shocked because I've never been able to apply false lashes on myself. And not bad for it to be my first time. Now, there's some pros and cons. Can y'all see them? As you can see, I don't think I got this one on quite as straight as it needs to be. But I'm just excited that I got it on. Now, the pros and cons, because I'm not a professional, y'all. This is literally my first time, and y'all are experiencing it with me. I dug all up in the black magnetic gel liner, and I think I might have used entirely too much. And in doing that, I got like way too much over the lid area, so it looks all cakey. But I think with practice, I will get a little better. And also, my eyelids are extremely long, and these lashes don't go like from crease to corner. They literally go from like right here to right here. So it doesn't even go across my entire eyelid. Now, I did see some that were longer, but I was being conservative when I purchased them since I didn't know what to expect. This would have been my first time trying them, but I know now. So I want to give a shout out to Just Bambi though, because had I not, child, I see people using tweezers when they do it, so I'm just assuming that's what you're supposed to do. Had I not watched Just Bambi though's review, I would not have known, because like I said, I purchased this particular brand from my local CVS. I had some extra bucks. I think I had like $6 extra bucks, and they were $14.99, but I got $6 off. So that's why I purchased them. And me, I'm thinking, oh, magnetic. All you got to do is just put them on and they're going to magically stick. I didn't follow no directions. I didn't read no directions. So shout out to Just Bambi though, because whatever the manufacturer was that she used, it came with instructions that said you had to apply the magnetic liner first 3 times and then go ahead and apply the lashes, which makes sense. So I did that. I let it dry, and the little magnetic balls that are on the back of the lashes actually go right on, and it just They're not heavy. They don't feel strange. I can definitely see getting these and wearing them in the future. I just definitely need to perfect my application process of the liner because it's entirely too much. It was so cakey. I went and put some eyeshadow on it to try to conceal because I literally put entirely too much on. And when I tried to take a Q-tip and wipe it off, it wouldn't even wipe off. So I don't even know. I'm hoping that it comes off when I get in the shower this evening. But aside from that, I am very pleased. I'm like, oh my God. What? I can wear some lashes? Because honey, when I used to go to the shop in Seattle, it was $35. And I used to go get them done like every 2 to 3 weeks. So that ended up becoming a hefty expense. But these are cute. I just need to practice, practice, practice. And I will be practicing um, so that I can get better because they do enhance your look. They really do. So thank you, Just Bambi Doll Girl. I'm about to put this little quick video up. And you all let me know what you think. Have you all tried the magnetic lashes? If so, what are your thoughts? They are not heavy. I can barely feel them. Is there an easier way that you can apply the gel liner, like maybe not using that brush? I was thinking, you know, the little brushes that come with the liquid eyeliner where it's like a little fine brush? That probably would have been easier for me to apply a thin line instead of that angled brush that comes in here. I feel like I would have probably been able to get neater. So I'm going to try and see if I can find one of them. And I'll use that in the future going forward. But have you all tried these? And if so, what are your thoughts? And how do y'all think I did for it being my first time ever? First time ever. Do they look crazy? Are they a yay or a nay? Let me know. Let me know. Drop down in the comments and let your girl know. Until next time, y'all, I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye now.